Hello everyone, welcome to Mama Africa's Kitchen again. Today I'm going to show you how to make box cake taste better like homemade. So let's go guys. Let me show you what to do. So here we have our box cake. It's lemon cake, and we have jello. We have milk. We have butter and eggs. So what we are going to do guys is it say here guys, it said add water, but instead of water I'm going to add milk, and instead of oil I'm going to add butter, and instead of 3 eggs I'm going to make it 4 eggs. I'll add 1 egg extra just to make it delicious, to taste like homemade. So we'll add our dry stuff first. We're going to have our dry stuff first. So we'll add this. Lemon cake. So that's it. Then we are going to add our vanilla jello flavor. Make it tasty. There we go. I'm going to add all of it. Then I'll mix. Oh my god, it smells so good, the vanilla jello. Then now we are going to add our eggs. That's 1. 2. 3. And these are large eggs, guys. These are large eggs. So it's 4. That's enough. That's enough for. So I'll put my eggs aside. Then now I'm going to add my milk. 1 cup of milk. Then I'm going to add my butter. Then we just mix it. I already preheated my oven at 350, but they say it's going to take between 26 minutes to 31 minutes. So I preheated my oven at 350. Now we just mix it. Smell good, the vanilla and the lemon. Smell very delicious. So now you can pretend you make it from scratch. You can always cheat and pretend. Nobody will know except you. That's good, guys. That's it. Doesn't take much to do. Now we are going to add it on our pan. I already put butter on it, because we don't want it to stick. So I rub some butter on my pan. Don't forget to do that. So guys, I want to do 2 of them. I want to make 2. 2. I just feel like making 2 cakes at once. So we can eat one now, one later. I don't want to waste my cake, guys. I'm putting everything here. Everything must go. So that's good. Our oven is ready. So I'll just put them in the oven for around 30 minutes. Ready, guys. Our cakes are here. They are ready. Ready. Ready, guys. Ready. It's ready. Ready. Oh my goodness. Look very delicious. Ready. Oh my. So nice and ready. So guys, when you wanna know if your cake is done, you do like this. You poke it. You see? There's nothing. That means it's fully done. That is when you know it's ready. 100% ready. So I'm going to slice it, guys, and I have my green tea. I like green tea, guys. It's healthy. So I'm going to take it with my green tea. Oh my goodness. Just look at it, guys. How it's moist. Beautiful. Oh my goodness. It looks like a homemade. Look at it, guys, like a homemade cake. Very beautifully done. Very soft. So that is it for today, guys. So don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends and family. Here it is, guys. Very beautiful. Very soft. It looks like homemade. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to share with your friends and family. Bye now.